So welcome. Today I'm gonna show you a hacker would store JavaScript code or execute in a PDF document file. We all know that it's possible to execute JavaScript code within PDF, but we don't know how. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So I guess let's start. We can manually write JavaScript code within PDF, but it would be a bad idea, I guess, because we can use some tools, some automatic tools to do that for us. And I'm gonna show you how. But let me first show you how this PDF will look. So I have this sample.pdf which is infected, means I have injected JavaScript code. So if I open it with the text editor, over here you can see JavaScript. So it's the action which will execute JavaScript code. So it might look funky to you, but it's actually encrypted. And if I copy and go to ChatGPT, okay, so let's send it to ChatGPT, and you can see it says it's a JavaScript that will be executed, and here is the unencrypted code which says alert hello world. So yeah, ChatGPT says that PDF will to execute JavaScript code, and it's just a normal pop-up hello world, but you can also put malicious code inside it. So yeah, so we can handwrittenly do it, but also there's a way to, like, you know uh, what do you say, automate the way. So I can just type a normal JavaScript code and it will automatically convert and add it inside JavaScript, I mean the PDF. Now let's install the tool to automate our way. So fire up your browser. So in a new tab, I'm gonna open uh, let's say GitHub. So GitHub repository, and search for PDF to JavaScript or JS in injector, and hit enter. So you can see this first repository by corner pirate. So open it and copy the path, or say link, and it's written in Java. So you must have installed Java in your system. If not, install it. Okay, now in your terminal, right, just write git clone, and the link, it will clone the repository inside your machine. Okay, let me first check if it's installed or not, I mean cloned or not, the directory. Okay, there you go, we got this. So let me go to the directory, and yeah, boom, we are in it. Now make sure you have Java installed, because we are gonna run a jar file. So you will take Java installed, pre-installed inside your machine. So we will type jar. Okay, let me first check the GitHub repository. So for that, before running the file, we must have a file that contains JavaScript. And to learn how to use this PDF JavaScript, you can read the developer documentation of Adobe, which is available in this GitHub repository as well. And you can see an example to print hello world, which says app.alert, and then in the parenthesis hello world. And yeah, okay, so let's create a file called like test.js, I guess. So we'll write our JavaScript code inside this. So app dot So let's just alert a simple, not hello world actually. Let's type, let's say follow me, or my name Mejban. Okay, so we'll print this inside the PDF. Also make sure to end with a semicolon. So let's get the file to recheck, and yeah, we have the text written in. So let's clear the terminal, and now we need a PDF to actually embed the JavaScript. To embed the JavaScript, we first need a PDF. So let me type, let's just use any PDF, and if one PDF doesn't work for you, just find another one. So it's PDF. Okay, so this looks perfect for me. So just copy the URL, and now we will curl the file. So curl minus O to for output. What happened to my keyboard? O for output, and the name you wanna save. So I wanna write test.pdf and then paste the URL. Okay, so check if it's, yeah, there is it, our test.pdf and our test.javascript that we created a few minutes ago. So we need the absolute part, not relative part. So what you can also check their GitHub repository where they say that you must use your absolute path, not relative path. So that's why we'll do a pwd to just copy it first and then uh, write Java. So make sure you have installed Java, and then minus jar, and then our Java file. Okay. Okay, now paste the absolute path. Okay. And then the name of the file. I guess the we have to put PDF first and then JavaScript, but I should recheck. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, here also says that you should use absolute path, not relative path. So okay, now type test.pdf and then again paste the absolute path that I copied, and then the JavaScript file which is here. Okay, and then enter to proceed to let the application do its job. So what we're doing, we're just running the Java application. For the first argument is using the PDF that it's gonna affect, and then the JavaScript file. Okay, so it says it created the poison file at this location. So yeah, let me open my file explorer here. You can see it says poison file created at this location. And if I ls, you can see here is jest underscore infected underscore test.pdf. So if I open Dolphin here, okay, so here's the PDF. Where is it? Okay, it's the original PDF, and let me first show you that original PDF doesn't contain any JavaScript by default. So if I open it with a text editor, okay, this is the original PDF, and if you look all the way, like all mainly it stays these parts, but you can see there is no nothing such as slash type slash action JavaScript or this. So, and if I scroll to the bottom, there's nowhere JavaScript to be seen. It should be here, but it's not. So yeah, this PDF doesn't contain any JavaScript by default. So now I'll show you the PDF that we created, which is js underscore injected or infected. Yeah, so I opened it, and now if I scroll to the up, you should see. I hope you saw it. Here is it, the JavaScript that we are looking for. And yeah, this is the JavaScript that we just injected. So if I copy and recheck that what the unencrypted version says. Okay, you can see the chat GPT unencrypted, and yeah, this is what we wrote in the code. You can see it's same as here, app.alert follow Mejban Kadir. And yeah, this is literally exactly how you do it. That's how you can also manually write JavaScript code, or first write your code, then encrypt it and then paste it inside the PDF code. But it's a much better way and automated and faster way. So that's how you do it. And if I want to open the PDF that we just injected code, so I'll open with Google Chrome doesn't allow to run JavaScript code. And yeah, it's like normally just any other PDF. No one would even guess that it could have any hidden code inside it. That's all we got, and thanks for watching. And a new video is coming soon about file upload vulnerability via PHP. So yeah, support this video to motivate me to upload that video faster. So yeah, I see you in a new video. Bye.